exhale. Pero paano kayo makakasmile kung malalaman yung 79th most polluted air ang Pilipinas worldwide noong 2023? Worry no more dahil may mas pinaliit at ginawang abot kayang paraan para masukat ang kalidad ng hangin real-time. Tara, let's change the game! 13.5 micrograms per cubic meter ang naitalang air quality sa bansa ayon sa World Air Quality Report noong 2023. Halos 3 beses na mas mataas yan sa 5 micrograms per cubic meter na annual average standard ng PM2.5 concentration na itinakda ng World Health Organization. Dahil dyan, Pilipinas ang naitalang 79th most polluted air out of 134 countries worldwide.
Yung air quality is an unseen problem po all around the world. It becomes really concerning to Filipino health and world health.
Di na bagong konsepto ang pagsukat sa kalidad ng hangin. Pero what if may murang portable device na pwedeng mag-monitor ng real-time air quality? Anytime, anywhere. Sagot na yan ang Aeroscan, isang air quality detector developed by grade 12 students from Capitolio High School. Ang 10 to 50,000 pesos average cost kada unit sa merkado. Mas pinaliit at ginawa pang abot kaya.
Our air quality monitor po is used po indoors and outdoors. Isa rin po kasi na sa difference namin is portability. For 3,000 pesos, you're getting gold standard accuracy and durability.
Equipment sensors ang prototype na kayang sukatin ang ilang klase ng fine particulate matter sa hangin na karaniwan daw sanhi ng iba't ibang respiratory disease. Calibrated ang prototype ayon sa air quality standard ng World Health Organization.
Our calibrations work and our Aeroscan is accurate to the 95th percentile po.
It's connected through Wi-Fi, and we have created a website that will show it. So it is also accessible sa phones or laptops. So this is Aeroscan. It can be powered by an external power source. This can be power banks, batteries, or even through a wall outlet. This only needs to be in range of Wi-Fi.
Aeroscan needs only to be placed in an environment where there is a 3 to 6 feet height for optimal air circulation within the device.
This is Aeroscan's dashboard. Currently, our air quality index is at 73 or is classified as moderate.
Noong nakaraang taon ay ginawarang first place ang Aeroscan sa Division Science and Technology Fair at nakatanggap din ng special award sa Regional Science and Technology Fair. Mas pinadaling paraan para ma-monitor ang real-time air quality para sa kalusugan at sa kalikasan. Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako si Martin Javier. Changing the game!